Hi, today I'm going to take you on a step-by-step tutorial on how to restore this old Zippo and make it look new again. As you can see, the Zippo is fairly old and dirty. And it's all black. So the first step we have to do is we have to take out the insert. I'll put the case over here until later. Take the insert out and unscrew the flint spring. Once that's done, make sure there's no flint in there. And then start take out the felt piece. And then start taking the cotton out. Once the cotton is out, you can remove the wick from the lighter and place it to the side. As you can see, the lighter has been emptied and there's no longer anything in it, just the insert. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to get some Q-tips and we're going to dip them in this white vinegar. We're going to slowly press the Q-tip into the corners and twist it. And you can also rub it. Do this until the inside is as clean as you can get it with using the Q-tips. Also do around the flint wheel. So up right here, right here. You might have to use some pressure. You can this, right here, and do it all. Oh, and under here there should be a little opening. Slowly twist it in. Right there, and you should be able to get some stuff. Keep doing this until the lighter is completely as clean as you can get it using the Q-tips and vinegar. Okay. Okay, and now I'm done. It's about 20 minutes since I started, or 15, 20. Okay, so I got this as clean as I could outside and on the inside using the Q-tips and white vinegar. There's really no way I can use the Q-tips right now. I don't need them anymore. So next, we are going to take this spudger and I'm going to scrape the around right here, right where the flint is, that little brass piece under the flint wheel right here. I'm going to scrape around it and get all the excess dirt off. All the old gunk that's on there. A lot's actually coming off. Probably can't see it on the camera, but there's a lot. Okay, now that that's done, next step is to get some super fine extra fine steel wool and just take a little piece. And if this is only if you couldn't get this perfectly clean, like the walls on the inside right here, or on the even on the outside, like right here, super fine, and you just use it until the blackness is gone or the color is gone. Like right here I have some yellowing, so I'm gonna try and get rid of that. Put it in there. And you can use a pencil or something, and I find it easier to twist it around the pencil end and then do it. Or to get a big piece and twist it around the end. Okay, so now that that's done, you're gonna take our wick, and if you have an old dirty wick, just cut off using pliers or scissors the end, and it'll look new. Okay, and now I find it easiest to use tweezers for this. You kind of lick the end of the wick, get it wet. Okay, now, not sure if you can see this, but okay, I'm just gonna use those aren't my regular tweezers. I'm just gonna use pliers. So it's pulled through, and I'm just gonna pull it back down a bit so it get it to the right height. Right. Okay, so now the wick's back in. So next we're gonna put the stuffing back in. So what you do is you bend the wick down sideways like that, and then you can see it right there, it kind of goes like this, and then you put one piece of stuffing in, and then you bend it back, you press that down, and you bend the wick back over the stuffing, so kind of like a zigzag pattern. And let's just put all the stuffing back. Oh, wrong way. Can be a bit tricky to get this in sometimes. Sometimes when you take the stuffing out, it actually kind of expands a bit since it's compacted, and it'll come less compacted, so you might have to rip it up into pieces and put it in. It won't affect the lighter. Okay, so now that all the stuffing is back in the lighter, we're just going to take the felt piece and put it back on. Next we need a flint, so I'm just going to get a new flint from here. One second. So there it is. We're just going to put it into the flint tube. Now let's just get the flint spring. Put it back in. Screw it. Okay, so the next part is the case. So we're going to do the same thing with the vinegar and the Q-tips. Clean out the whole case. Mine I've already cleaned, so there's really nothing in there. You only really need to do this if you have a really dirty case. Because when it gets dirty, the dirtier it gets, the harder to take the insert out, and it damages the case too. So once that's done, you can fill your lighter, and you're all good. So I'm not sure if you can see this. I'll zoom in on it for you. But that is pretty good from where it looked like before. Now there is some steel wool bits down there I still have to. If you ask me, that looks like a brand new lighter now. Thank you for watching. I hope this can help you out. Have a good day.